Hi guys, good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. So it is Tuesday and it's currently 1:30 in the afternoon. I'm on my lunch break, hence I'm in the car, and you know where I am, guys. I'm going to show you. John Alexander Enterprise Filipino sari store. And it's very convenient for me, guys, because it's only I think 12 minutes drive from work. And yeah, so that's why I'm here now, because I'm very hungry and I'm craving for Filipino food as always. So we'll see what's available. Come with me. So this is their pricing. Skyflakes $8. Kamahal sa ilang tinapa. 2.80. But yeah, that's the pricing, guys, so you are aware. So the pricing is definitely higher than, you know, when you buy them from the Philippines. Hi again, guys, time check, it's 4:14 in the afternoon and I'm just outside Paris's childcare. I'm gonna go pick up my baby girl, guys. She'll be very happy to see me for sure. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Hi guys, I got Paris now. She finished childcare. Bulingit nga bata. What are you eating, honey? Pear. Hi guys, so we are in the car now, so you can see Paris on the back there, and we are going to drive home now, guys. And guess what, I'm so very excited because we are very close now, guys. So remember before, I don't know if you watched my previous videos, my drive home from work normally takes an hour and a half to 2 hours. But now, because we moved closer, we are only driving, I think, 15 minutes. Yay! Are you happy, honey? Yeah, she'll be happy because I know she cries and cries and cries in the car when we still live far away, because, you know, she gets bored and all. But this one, it's only 15 minutes and we're home. I'm very happy, guys, about that. But yeah, I'll see you soon, guys, when we get home. Bye. So we're now home and Paris fell asleep, guys, as you can see in the back. It is because when I picked her up from the childcare, guys, the teacher said she just refused to go to sleep. So the good thing is she has been eating today, which is really good. So they said generally she was a really happy baby today. She was playing, she was eating, but she only had like 5 minutes sleep. That's why she's asleep now, so I'm just not gonna disturb her, guys, for a little bit. So I'm just gonna stay here in the car until she wakes, guys. Daddy will be home soon too. I think I can see him now. Soon the landlord is coming, guys, because at home, at our new place, we are having like a leakage in the toilet. So we called the agent, guys, and told them what's happening, and they said they're gonna get a plumber to fix it. And then that's why we thought that the plumber is coming tonight, but it's actually the landlord, so maybe the landlord will fix it himself. You know, if he knows, then yeah, why bother paying for a plumber, right? But you will see, it's very interesting too to meet the landlord, because the one at West Footscray, we were there for a year, we've never seen the landlord, so it will be good. So yeah guys, I'll just keep you updated, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.